Congratulations for joining this free webinar with me.
Before starting the course, I would like to introduce myself. I am practicing as a homeopathic consultant since 14 years. Though homeopathy is a complete science in itself, I came to realize that there are certain disorders which require management of food in routine life. With emergence and rapid increase in metabolic diseases, I felt the need for getting in-depth knowledge about the nutrition. What actually nutrition is and how to apply it clinically. So, for learning that, I got master's degree in nutrition and dietetics. And after the experience of 6 years working as a nutritionist, I can challenge that nutrition plays the highest role in treating these disorders. Disorders like obesity, diabetes, PCOD, hypothyroidism, etc. Nonetheless, Diabetes Educator course helped me plan meals depending on the doses of medication, the quantity and the amount of exercise the client is doing, and especially for people who are on insulin. According to me, learning is a never-ending process, and knowing nutrition is highly essential for every person. I must say this, that it has helped me a lot, not only professionally but personally. So, I welcome you all to this free webinar.
So, get ready to receive something special at the end of this webinar. Well, in this free webinar, we will cover the following topics. What exactly nutrition means? Why to become a nutrition expert? Who can become a nutrition expert? How nutrition expert works? That is, what is the role of nutrition expert? Career opportunities. How you can become a nutrition expert? Nutrition is a process of providing or obtaining the foods necessary for health and growth. A balanced diet consists of fruits, vegetables, whole grains that gives our body nutrients, minerals and vitamins it requires to function properly. Nutritious diet plays a great role in keeping us disease-free, manages healthy weight and increases our energy levels too. It also boosts the immune system, delays the effect of aging and increases life expectancy and uplifts our mood. So why to become a nutritionist expert? The most important advantage of becoming a nutritionist is that you own your own health. That is, you would be your own health coach. It will transform your life permanently, as health would always be at the greatest priority. Bring about permanent lifestyle changes in you, your family and your clients. This will enable you to grow your skills. This will also boost your career potential, as it would increase aspects of treating your clients. You will also get financial freedom. With industrialization and modernization in late 1990s, the need for convenience foods came into demand. Due to sedentary lifestyle, lack of exercise, availability of convenience foods and pre-packaged meals, health started deteriorating at an alarming rate. Due to increase in the metabolic diseases such as obesity, diabetes, PCOD, hypertension, there is increase in demand for good nutrition experts. It has become a challenge to keep away from junk foods and eat healthy foods. Hence, getting good nutritionist is a demand for an hour in our society. Now, who can become a nutrition expert? Any health worker who knows the implications of poor dietary habits can become a nutrition expert, like doctors, nurses, physiotherapists, counselors, yoga teachers, pharmacists, gym trainers, school diet counselors, and sports trainers. Let's see how nutrition works. Nutritionist encourages healthier eating habits in the community, help people achieve health and weight loss goals. Losing weight is the most difficult challenge. Keeping people motivated is the key to weight loss. Implement behavioral modifications and dietary approaches. Suggest ways to improve lifestyle and manage stress. Nonetheless, nutrition expert must know the prevalence of lifestyle diseases in the society and their implications on health. Do you know 90% of women suffer from nutritional deficiencies? Nutritional deficiencies cause weakness, easy fatigability, low mood, depression, recurrent headaches, and even white discharge in women. Did we know this? What is the answer to this? Recurrent medication or a balanced diet? Knowledge of nutrition is the need of today due to increasing prevalence of lifestyle disorders. Metabolic disorders have created havoc in the world. Disorders like obesity, hypothyroidism, diabetes, PCOD have gained grounds in India and increasing very rapidly. Do you think these diseases have any particular therapeutic treatment? No, they need support of proper nutrition. Altered body images have created the importance of diet and nutrition, and it is very important for us to make people aware of role of diet in health. The biggest question of today, obesity. If you think it is overnutrition, then I must say you are perfectly wrong. You must know this. Do you know it takes 5 minutes to consume 500 kilocalories and it takes 2 hours to burn them off? One packet of 100 gram chips or one single burger will lend you 500 calories. These foods contain empty calories which will only harm your body. To burn these calories, one would need to exercise for 30 to 45 minutes. Also, consuming empty calories would decrease the stamina to exercise. Now, obesity, which was initially considered as overnutrition, instead now it has been categorized by WHO as a malnutrition, that is, deficiency of essential nutrients. I have found thousands of obesity clients having nutritional deficiencies such as iron deficiency, calcium deficiency, B12 deficiency. Treatment of obesity depends 90% on the diet and 10% on exercise. Can we take this as a challenge to help our society? Yes, definitely. Another thing, do you think all heart diseases are caused only due to high fatty foods or foods that are excess in fats? You definitely miss on something. They are carbohydrates. High carbohydrate diet is highly related to increased cholesterol levels and heart diseases. Now, India has become a capital of diabetes in the world. Can blood glucose levels kept under control though patient is diabetic? Yes, with proper balanced diet and knowledge and knowing the carbohydrate exchange of foods. The most common complication of diabetes is hypoglycemia, that is, the low sugar levels in the blood, which is the result of improper ratio of medicines and exercise to food. Planning meals according to your medications and the amount of exercise you do is the treatment of diabetes. The map shows distribution of diabetics in India. Red and orange color shows the maximum prevalence of diabetes in South, and you can easily guess why. Nutrition plays. Not only this, nutrition also plays a vital role not only in physical but mental development in children. Rapidly increasing problem of ADHD in children have been associated with nutritional deficiencies. Precursors of certain amino acids required to secrete the neurotransmitters are deficient in these kids. Food plays a crucial role in brain function in children right from their fetal stage of life. Eating excess oily foods have been found related to mood changes, especially uncontrolled anger and depression. So, looking at this, you must be clear what is the scope of nutritionists in the society. The scope of nutritionists have increased in the society due to increased need. Are you ready to get into the field? I would like to offer you an opportunity. A certificate course in nutrition. Certificate course in nutrition is designed for individuals working in health industry to provide healthy diet into the society to support normal growth, development and aging, help maintain a healthy body weight and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Get deeper knowledge about the food and its relation to health and diseases. Transformation is not an easy task practically, as it includes sustained motivation at every step of your life. Do you lose patience track due to lack of sustained motivation in your clients? Don't you think this can be your failure to keep patients motivated? After this course, I guarantee you will be able to keep yourself and your clients motivated always with regards to eating behavior.
Now, why to do this course? I want you to answer a few questions. Don't you deserve to be the best nutritionist? If health and nutrition is your passion, then where are you stuck at? Do you want to bring permanent lifestyle changes in you and your clients? Do you want to become a successful health coach with the guidance of a best mentor? Do you want to improve your treatment and counseling potentials?
If yes, then there are certain career opportunities for you. If yes, you can always have many doors open to choose your career if you have a perfect knowledge about food. You can work as a nutrition and wellness coach, nutrition and wellness writer, wellness center specialist, weight loss center specialist, healthy food and nutrition retail, store management, nutrition and wellness instructor. And I would say you are on the right track and one step away from making a right decision. You must connect with us for this course. How can you become a nutritionist? You must know the groundwork of all happiness is health. If one is habituated of healthy eating, it will not only help the person to live long but also improve the quality of life. Balanced diet plays a very important role. Taking into consideration above factors, I have designed the best course which would give you detailed insight of role of food and healthy life. What you will learn from the course? So, you will learn assessment of nutritional status. Now, is weight the only criteria for nutritional status? No, nutritional status depends on one's weight, height, BMR, BMI, etc. Then also you will be knowing about the food groups. Foods are grouped into different groups for easy understanding. For planning a meal, knowledge of different food groups is essential. It is very essential to know nutrients, their role in our body and their metabolism. Do you think nutritional requirement of different age groups is the same? Do we ever feel the need of planning meals depending on different age groups in our family? Don't you think nutrition requirement for different age groups is different? You will learn nutrition during different stages of life in this course. Clinical nutrition. Now different diseases demand specific diet. You will learn specific nutrition for different diseases. Foods retain their nutritive value at specific temperatures. Knowledge of food preservation is important for every person present here. Scientific menu planning is a crucial part of this nutrition course. Menu planning needs calculations on calories and also nutrient calculations. So you will be learning the nutrient calculations in this program. Diet counseling is the heart of this course, and for becoming a perfect counselor, you are absolutely on the right place. Counseling should fulfill demand of the client, and this would be perfectly taught during the course. Now, you must also know the benefits of the course. You will learn about diet through understanding what body wants and what it needs based on certain health parameters. You will learn to evaluate food through nutrition and dietetics. You will learn to interact with the patients and students. You will learn application of customized advanced diet therapy, and in this way you will change your lifestyle permanently. Our syllabus of the course would be Introduction to Nutrition, Assessment of Nutritional Status, Different Food Groups, Nutrition during different stages of life, Different types of nutrients and their role, Clinical Nutrition, that is cardiovascular diseases, diabetes, PCOD, thyroid diseases, etc., Food Preservation and Storage, Scientific Menu Planning and Meal Preparation for the Family, Practical Diet Counseling, which is the most important part of the course. At the end of the course, you will be assessed based on MCQs, based on a small test which would contain MCQs, short questions, energy calculations, menu planning and orals. Certificate would be issued after the result. And now it is the time to offer you something worth. My regular course fees is $18,000, that is $249. I provide an offer to limited seats of ₹997 or $137 if paid before 5th of February 2021. Along with this, you will also receive certain bonuses. So bonuses are Nutrition for Beginners manual book, self-assessment questionnaire to analyze your skills, and 2 personal live sessions. This opportunity will close soon. It is time to invest in yourself now. If you don't join the course, you lose the life-changing opportunity. If you will join, I guarantee life transformation and abundant living.
So, my dear friends, this is the time to take action, correct action, just now. Because once you learn, it will not only help to change your life, but also life of your family, your friends and your clients too. So, click the link and join the course now. Taking timely decision is the best decision ever, which will help you for the entire life, till your last breath. So my dear friends, help yourself and join the course. Click the link below and know nutrition to its depth. Nutrition is a vast field and it is very difficult to explain in such a short time. You will definitely get the maximum benefit of the course. So, what are you waiting for? Just click the link and get most of it. You can also check out for the reviews which my previous clients have given regarding the course, and you will be 100% happy with the decision of joining this course now. The knowledge value will be far beyond the price value of the course. So click the link below and get started. We'll meet you soon in the course. Thank you. Have great, happy and healthy life.